Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, glad that you clicked on my video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back today. Today's video, I'm going to show you 8 different hairstyles which are really quick and easy to do. This was on stretched hair. I actually blow dried my hair for the first time in, I think, almost 2 years if I'm not mistaken. If your hair is in its shrunken state, that's okay. You can do them as well. These are very easy to do. You only need 2 ribbons or 2 bands or 2 hair ties and your hair, and you're pretty much good to go. So I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys, take care. Before you guys go, I need you to do me a favor. I'm in a contest by one of the malls in KL, and I've qualified to the semi-finals. And in order to get to the finals, I need you guys to vote for me on Facebook by liking my picture. So I'm going to link that in the description box. Just click it, like my picture, and that's it, okay? If you want to search, you can search for MyTown Shopping Center. My number is F118. You'll find it in the female category section. Just click on my picture and like it. Thank you. And also share it with your friends once you're done. Or if you don't have Facebook, I mean, I'm sure you know somebody who has Facebook, right? So yeah, if you could please share it so that they can like and I can win. Thank you.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're moving on.
to the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful as always, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. God bless. Bye.